Alright, so as you can see, we've almost finished the F1 car here, my first car, F1 car, and almost the whole car is done now. We've got all our fillets on, we've got our wings on, we've done our axle holes, we've got our CO2 canister pod. It's looking really great, but it's looking kind of not finished. If we flip to this other side, you can see we've only got half the car. So our final step in making our F1 car here is to do a little cool modify task. Sorry, it's probably under the create actually, not the modify, my apologies, which is the mirror tool. So we're just going to select, the mirror tool basically allows us to mirror an object or a face or whatever it is around a mirror plane or a center point. So we're going to select bodies for ours because we actually want to mirror the entire car, and we're going to select the entire part that we've created so far, and the mirror plane we'd like to select is, we'll just flip around to the other side here, is this face here. So if we select that plane as our face, which is a planar face as you can see there, all of a sudden we've got this ghost of a other half that's popped up here. So that looks like we're on the right track. And to finish it off, if we hit OK, we have our full car. Now at this point in time we do still, and what you'd find is that we actually have two bodies. We've got one side of the car and the other side of the car. And it's not really the way we want it for this component. And at this point in time, what would be best is that we take those two bodies and make them one. So if we use, I believe it's under modify or assemble. There we go, combine. So we have the combine tool under modify here, where we can pick the two bodies, okay, which is all of our bodies that we'd like to create. And we're going to say a new component. All right, they're going to join together there. If we hit OK, there we go. We now have one new component with one body. Okay, so the component there is everything we've done so far, which has those two bodies in it. It has a single body. And you can see that all that information that we've done here is all lined up along our timeline. So if at any point in time we wanted to modify something, perhaps we want to change that revolve there for the CO2 canister housing, we can go back to that point in our model and just change that part. So it's really easy to go back and change things. Now we're almost done with our CO2 drag, so the only thing we really need to do now is add in rear and front wheels, an axle, and our axle, what we call axle bearings into the axle holes there. But that will be saved for another video. So your car is almost complete. Thanks for watching.